display of a vendor dashboard where vendors can register and upload their products. First of all, as a vendor, you need to have a Ghana card. Then you put your Ghana card number. Then you select the services you render. Currently, we have mechanization services. That is anything under agricultural that is being mechanized, be it tractor services. You want to bulldoze your land, that is a new land you want to clear. You can upload all the services you render under mechanization. You can do plowing, harrowing, threshing, or harvesting under mechanization. If you are also selling farm inputs like fertilizer, urea, ammonia, pesticides, herbicides, and any input related to agricultural services, certified seed. Also, if you are a drone service provider, then you select it. If you are a crop buyer, you buy crops from farmers, you can also select what you do. Then your phone number, your profile picture, email address, and your vendor name, product and services name, then you can register. So let's go ahead and log into already registered vendor. This is a registered vendor. As we can see, they have 2 products already listed on the platform, and the product they have here, they have mechanization, they render plow and harrow, and which is 350 Ghana cedis. Here too, they sell fertilizer, organic fertilizer, NPK 433, which is very good for smallholder farmers, and it's 180 Ghana cedis. Also, services like mechanization should be uploaded here, not under the product. That was a mistake. And as a service provider, you receive requests from farmers via their USSD. Let's say the drone delivery from Burkina, not Burkina Faso. There's a town here in Accra called Burkina, and there are smallholder farmers there. This request came 2 months ago, and it was not able to, we didn't have services around that area, so it was cancelled. So once that such services come and we can fulfill that services, it's booked, and once booked, it moves to in progress, and on our admin dashboard as well as the vendor dashboard, we see that services is in progress. Once the services is done, the vendor goes ahead to mark it as done, then it will be moved to complete. Then here we also calculate the metrics of in progress and completed services that were requested by smallholder farmers. As a vendor, when you have rendered services and at the end of the day you want your money back from us, you just go ahead and put your account details, 944,39087. Then the bank, Stanbic Bank, then the amount that you want to withdraw. So you send the request for withdrawal. It will be sent to administrators. Then they will evaluate your request and approve it. So we come back to the admin dashboard. In the admin dashboard, we also see the number of smallholder farmers that has been onboarded, then the request that has been completed and in progress. We see all of them on our admin dashboard. And we also have admins that takes care of all the requests that are rendered on the field. And accounts here displays transactions, the amount of money in each smallholder farmer's wallet. So before your wallet is used, you needed to have sent activation request for your account to be activated. And here, as a matter of fact, Bank of Ghana is very keen in we going through KYC of each smallholder farmers that has been onboarded. So we request for their their Ghana card or Ghana card ID. Then based on that, we match it to the database of Ghana cards. Once it's correct and legit, then we activate your accounts. After account activation, you are credited with a welcome bonus of 10 Ghana cedis, and you can load money on your wallet and you can start transacting on our network. And these are the list of smallholder farmers that has been onboarded from the last 5 months of operations. Here we earlier on sent requests for withdrawal, and look at it here with the account number, the amount they want to withdraw, 10,000 Ghana cedis. Then we would also vet it and we approve the request by putting our code for it to be deducted from our bank account to the vendor bank account. Here we also look at the number of vendors that has been onboarded. We can lock the vendor's account. We can also deactivate the vendor's account if there's any dispute. And these are the number of vendors that has been onboarded for testing. We have extension agents which will be rolling out very soon for extension agents to take care of this sector, where they will be taking records of crops that smallholder farmers cultivate, and also if they were supported by a group, then we know. Also, we take your animal records that you have, the size of your field, the type of animals you rear, the number, and if you were supported or sponsored by an organization, we need to know. When you harvest, we take care of your harvest, the quantity of maize or soya beans or any of the crops that we support on the platform. We take care of all of that, and all this data collected by extension agent at the end of the day would be uploaded into and fed into our credit rating system, and we use it to rate these farmers based on their performance to know whether they are qualified or they are credit worthy enough to be supported on the platform. And we have FBOs. FBOs stand for farmer-based organizations. Farmers-based organizations are groups that have smallholder farmers under that group, and they are leaders. With this, if you are getting access to credit, because credit recovery becomes easier since they are leaders monitoring and evaluating these farmers on their journey to successful yield. This is our administrative dashboard that I have just gone through. Thank you for taking time to look at our demo, and we hope you support FarmWallet to continue to help smallholder farmers to improve their yield and also have access to credit.